apple juice and how this fruit origin. The Aglae marmelos is binomial name but generally known as wood apple or marmelos fruit. Generally, this fruit tree is a native of India and Bangladesh or Southeast Asia. These fruits are used in traditional medicine or as food. This fruit takes 11 months to ripen. The outer shell is so hard, so it needs to crack with hammering. This fruit is so tasty and flavor is sweet, aromatic and pleasant. It has some different varieties. Numerous hairy seeds are encapsulated in a slimy mucilage or an adhesive substance. This fruit can be eaten fresh from trees, also can be made into sarbat or belpana. Belpana is a very popular summer drink in almost every household. This type of drink is especially significant on the Odia New Year and Bengali New Year in April. Fresh cheese, milk, water, fruit pulp, sugar and crushed black pepper. These are the main ingredients of belpana. You will enjoy the taste if you put it on ice. Medicinal uses of wood apple. Though fruits like bananas, mangoes helps people who suffer from constipation, bell fruit gives amazing results to them. Constipation should get rid by regularly consuming wood apple, which is full of fiber. For diabetes, this fruit is great for diabetics because it keeps the insulin level stable, and many doctors nutritionists also recommended this for diabetics. Also, this fruit has a smoothing effect to upset stomach. For hair and skin, to keeping skin and hair in healthy glowing condition, we can take the juice of bell fruit. It keeps digestion level in good order, also keeps the skin and hair healthy and shiny. It also can prevent from diarrhea, weight loss and many more health issues. cutting the fruit, collect the pulps from inside it and smashed gently in water. Some people like to add sugar in it and some people don't like to adding sugar. Some people prefer thick liquid, some are not. Actually, it depends on different people and their choices. The basic thing is we will get a drink with a great food value in it. Beside medicinal use, the plant, its fruit and its leaves has religious importance. During worship of goddess and some gods, the bell leaves are being offered as part of prayer. The fruits, leaves and trees of wood apple also used in many religious rituals, like during Durga Puja, Devi Durga firstly stayed under a bell tree having fruit. Bell fruit is also known as Srifal. In Sri Suktam of the Rig Veda, the name Srifal is used. Some of religious people said this fruit tree is associated with Devi Lakshmi. When we drink Belpana, we enjoy satisfaction or gratification too. Why? Where from this fruit origin? In Puranic age, there was living a couple named Drono and his wife Dhora. They were very poor and surviving their life by begging door to door. They were dedicated devotees of God inside. One day, Lord Vishnu came to their thatched hut with his nearest devotee Muni Narad in camouflage. That time, Drono was out for begging and Ma Dhora was alone at their holy hut. Reaching there, Lord Vishnu prayed for food. Ma Dhora was so happy getting two guests. That hospitable lady Dhorama told them to take a rest. That time, Drono was returning home with a very small amount of grain obtaining by begging and he was so tired too. By order of Lord Vishnu, Narad Muni stole all of baked grains from Drono's alms bag. When Drono returned home, Ma Dhora found the bag empty after searching. Drono was so tired, so Dhorama went for collect some food grains for guests who were waiting at their hut. But she failed to collect anything. This time, Lord Shiva was waiting as a grocer by order of Lord Vishnu. When Soti Dharama reached there and begged for some food for her guests, Lord Shiva said, as grocer, he wants something in exchange, as he is a grocer. In this Puranic age, the guests had great importance in human's life. Dharma told she has nothing to give him. Lord Shiva wanted her breast in exchange. Dharma returned home as she already surrendered her everything to her husband Drona. Great Drona, hearing this incident, told her to offer her breast because he knows the body is not eternal. Dharaswati returned to grocer and told him she is agreed to give her breast but only in the sense of mother. If grocer can accept this as child, he can take it. Great Shiva agreed and Ma Dharaswati cut off her breast. In this way, she gratified Lord Vishnu and from her breast the bel tree or wood apple tree origin. So, this fruit has a nourishing quality to humans as their mother's breast food. In Dapur Yug, this great mother became the mother of Lord Krishna, who is one of avatar of Lord Vishnu. Thank you everybody. See you again.